In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Discord account on your mobile device. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Discord and here tap on register button right here, and here you got two options how you can create your account using your phone or using your email. I'll use my phone. And here I just need to type in my phone number and then tap on next. At that step I need to enter my confirmation code that was sent to my phone. I just do that and then select verify. There I need to enter my birthday and tap on create an account button. Here I need to pick a username and set my password, and then tap on create an account button. Keep in mind that your password must be at least 8 characters long. I correct my password and then tap on create an account button again. On the next step, we can allow or disallow notifications for Discord. I tap on don't allow. I can save or not save password in my iCloud for that account. I'll tap on save password. And then here I can choose my profile picture. I can take it from camera, from my gallery, or I can change some from here, from photos that Discord suggests to me, or I can just tap on skip this step and set up your photo later. I tap on next. Here I can enable or disable option to help my friends find me if they are knowing my email or my phone number. I will leave that option enabled and select next. And here I need to enter my name and then just tap next. So that's it, get started. Here on that screen you can add your friends or you can just skip that step, and now your Discord account was successfully created. Now you can create your own server. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.